YouTube, I'm lit today. You know what? I got some wave slime, baby. Hey, yeah, so this is my first time using it. You know what I'm saying? I need a wash. Looking real bad out here. Actually, I ain't looking that bad. But it's my first time using this wave slime. Shout out to WavyJ23 on IG, man. I got this in this giveaway, and I've been excited to try it. So, luckily, y'all get to witness me try it for the first time. So basically today, I'm gonna go through normal washing style. Then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all the results after. After my washing styles, I usually have to hit it with a medium and a soft little session to get all the way right. So this video is gonna have all of that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go and do that for your boy, man. I got some fire coming for y'all, man. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna enjoy it. But today, wave slime. Now let me go get everything I need. Enjoy the little fire intro, and I'll be back.
Coarse head kings. Now welcome to the world of the coarse head kings. Yeah, we just some coarse head kings. Now welcome to the world of the coarse head kings. Yeah, hey, we them coarse head kings. Welcome to the world of the coarse head kings. Yeah, we just some coarse head kings. Now welcome to the world of the coarse head kings. Yeah. Hey.
Alright, the time is now. Got everything I need. Got my brushes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna work the crown with this one. That Westbrook for wavy or what? What's up? Got my hard brush for the rest of it, you know what I'm saying? Got a comb. I'm gonna wash my beard too, so I need this beard comb. You know what I'm saying? A cup. Rockets again. You know I'm stay repping my city. And wave slime, the tangling brush, and my wash rag. Got a little cap in there too. Hey, it's about to go down, man. Let's go and get this started. Almost forgot. Need the spray bottle too. Almost forgot. All right, so just starting it off, soaking my hair with some water, you know. Grab that towel. Try to protect my shirt, but that ain't work. Now, I always start off with a nice little comb session. Get that hair lifted up off the scalp. You know, prepping it for the wash. Going against the grain. I do not recommend this if you are a new waver. If your pattern is not set, do not try to go against the grain with that. Just keep it with the grain, you know. Now, it's time to put some of this wave slime in. Let's go. I'm just gonna use a little bit. And actually, Wavy J, he recommended I use my regular shampoo first, then come in with this. But for this video, I wanted to use wave slime only because I wanted to see the real results. Later on, I might switch it up to where I use my regular shampoo first. But for this one, I wanted to use wave slime only. Now I'm going at it in my beard. You know, I always wash my beard when I wash my hair. So why not use the wave slime in it? Get it in there nice. Simple lather, you know, it ain't gonna lather up all the way the first time because I guess it's grabbing all of the dirt and the oil. I mean, that's any shampoo though. Now, just combing it in, you know, spreading it all the way. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I had some naps in there. That comb was struggling to get through, but it was all right. All right. You see, nice comb session up there by the crown a little bit. Just comb in your pattern, the way of your pattern. Nice. Not gonna lie, I kind of enjoy watching myself comb my hair. It's kind of neat. I don't do that often, you know. Now let me remove these glasses. It's time to rinse this stuff off. This is my first rinse. So originally I wanted to do 2 washes. Well, 2 washes. So, but I ended up doing 3 because, I really don't know why I did 3, but I ended up going with 3 washes. So this is the second one you see it. It lathered up real nice the second time because my hair was a bit cleaner. Look at that beard, you know what I'm saying? Real nice lather. Hey, this wave slime, it really felt good going in. Just a little scramble wash. Once again, if you are a beginner, if your pattern is not set, don't scramble wash. Don't go against the grain. Just keep everything with the grain because you're still training your hair. But my hair is pretty trained, so I can scramble wash, go against the grain, can do all that. But it's not for beginners. Now I go in with a little shower detangler brush. I'm just, detangling a little bit, prepping my hair for the brush session. I don't take too long with this one. Just go around probably once or twice just to get them naps out, Now I gotta comb the beard, get those naps out. Now with my beard, I think I only went in twice with the wave slime. All right. Now, I already rinsed my beard out. Now, it's time to get to the brush session. Now, I always like to start off at my crown. Always. See, this is what I was saying. I actually did 3 washes. So, I rinsed out. I started to brush, then I was like, hold on, let me do one more. Forgot to take my glasses off too while I rinsed, so now they dirty. I'm gonna struggle to see the rest of this video. Now this is the 3rd application. The lather, it's even better this time. It just got better and better. Now I'm really ready for this brush session. Here we go. Going in with that Who Not Wavy. That Westbrook brush, man. I really like that brush, man. Shout out to y'all. But yeah, I'm just working the crown right now. I always like to start with the crown during my washing styles for the most part. I always start with the crown because I'm trying to get that right. As you see, a little more soap came out of nowhere, right? It's because my camera cut off on me, man. So I didn't realize it till a couple seconds later. Then I had to go, charge it up a little bit. So I just sprayed some water on it and it brought the lather back. I didn't add any soap or anything. But yeah, still working that crown. Hey, during these washing styles, make sure y'all hitting these angles with precision. You want to work your crown. You want to, as you can see, I do a lot of vertical brushing during washing styles because those are just the precise brushing right there. And even though this video is sped up, you can see how slow I'm moving, how slow and precise I want my strokes to be, because this is when you're gonna break those forks. This is where you're gonna get those connections better. So you want to be precise with your brush angles. Take your time doing your washing style, because this is where you break those forks. This is where your hair is gonna move easier. This is your time to shine during the washing style. So take your time. You don't have to hit those angles all fast and like you on a sprint. Nah, you want to jog through this. So yeah, I'm just going around, a nice brush session. Yes, sir. That hard brush, that coarse hair, haven't had a cut in 4 weeks? So it's getting pretty thick, man. That hard brush is getting down in there though. Just added a little bit more water. Now I'm gonna go back to the crown. Like I said, man, I'm trying to get this crown right. So I'm gonna work that thing, especially during the washing style. See that hitting all around, starting at the crown and brushing away from it in all angles. This is for the beehive. Brushing away from the crown in all angles with precision. Now you can just see how the soap is just making that circle. Yeah. Get in there. Now I'm going back with the hard brush just to get one last go around with the hard brush. Vertical brushing once again. You see on those sides, I'm going from my crown basically to my temple. Crown to temple. That's what angle you should be wanting to take on the side if you want those waves to, swoop around from the top to the back. Crown to the temple. Just like that. Be precise with those angles, man. That's a problem area for me right there. I have a lot of forks right there, so try to get it in. My top left, right there. I can't wait to break those forks. Now look at me. Right back to the crown. I don't play around with the crown, man. Now I added just the smallest amount back to the crown area just because it was the soap was kind of running away from it. So I just added a little bit more, just a tiny bit more. Now you see, all right, just rubbing it in. Want to kind of flatten it down a little bit. And now, this is what I do. This is one of my secrets right here. Before I rag up to rinse this out, I always grab some coconut oil. Because when I rinse out, some of the shampoo always gets stuck right there where those two bands overlap on the forehead. And I always end up dry and itchy right there. So to combat that, I always add coconut oil to my forehead before I rag up. Now here we go. This is before the rag. There we go. Now that's a wash rag right there. It's like a jersey material. Real nice for the washing style. Make sure you get that shampoo out. Now I'm just tying it up. I'm going with the no knot method, man. Shout out to my girl Raising A-Leaf. She put me on, man. I ain't tied a durag since she hit me in the DM. So yeah, you see, tucking it. No knot in there. Now, I do add a stocking cap, but first, I like to rinse a little bit without the stocking cap just to get most of that shampoo out. So I'm rinsing right here. I use cold water to rinse, by the way. I use cold water this whole washing style. Cold water only. Just trying something new. So I like to try to rinse as much out right there. Nice rinse. Now I'm applying my stocking cap, you know, a little extra compression. Get that thing tight, like I'm about to rob a bank or something. There we go. Now, I'm gonna rinse a little bit more. I wanna get all that soap out. Now I'm finished rinsing. Pat it down a little bit. And now, your boy happy. Whoa, hey, hit that whoa, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. So, now my hair is dry. It's time to unrag. Let's see the results before the soft and medium brush session, cause it ain't gonna come out laid like you expect. Mine never does, but hey, we might be surprised. Let's go. Feels good. Feels nice and soft. Haven't really got a good look at it. Hey. Think I like it. But right now, I'm gonna get a little medium and soft brush session in. Only a few minutes. Then rag up. And then I'm gonna come back with the final results. That, to me, is the final result. All right, let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the final stage of this video. It's just time to unrag. I've been ragged up for about 30 minutes, maybe. I don't know, not that long. Really just want to get this over with, but here we go. So as far as this wave slime goes, I really like it, man. I really dig it. My hair feels clean. My hair, it looked nice before I ragged up, so I can probably bet right now that it's gonna look pretty nice after this rag, but you know what I'm saying? Let's just go and get to it. See what we're working with. And that's wave slime by itself. No product in there, nothing. That is 100% clean hair. Yes, sir. Wave slime. My fluffy puffs. Y'all got a dub with this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, it's official. Wavy slime. Wavy slime. Wave slime. I like it. I vouch for it. I recommend it. Go get you some. Yes, sir. Now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at Coarse Kings. It's the same as this page. I'm gonna keep representing. I appreciate y'all for coming through. Take it easy.